Hey everyone, so this is an update video on the headlight restoration that we did 1 year and 6 months ago, 1.5 years. Alright, so if you haven't checked out that video, it will be somewhere here in the comments or description of this video. Basically, we sanded and polished both headlamps, but one headlamp has been ceramic coated and this headlamp has been clear coated. Alright, so as we come and take a closer look, this ceramic coated headlamp, I'm generally quite surprised actually. I'm very surprised that it lasted this long. This car is parked outdoors most of the time, actually all the time, you know, when it's at work here or back at home, it's always exposed to the sun. But surprisingly, the finish, it hasn't oxidized, hasn't turned yellow. I'm quite surprised. This was coated with our 01 absolute paintwork coating, okay? And the other headlamp has been clear coated. It looks kind of clearer, whiter, whereas this one generally maybe as a slight yellowing, very slight, but it looks good on its own, to be honest, okay? Of course, if we look up, zoom up close, you will see the ceramic coated part. There's still a lot of micro cracks that hasn't been covered because the coating itself is very thin. As for the clear coated side, more of the micro cracks are covered more. So yeah, if you don't have the chance to clear coat your headlamps, just sand polish and ceramic coat. That's the best you can do. Thanks.